Hello, this is Vaibhav and this is our project talks. So these are the files that contain codes like TypeScript, CSS, Python script and JavaScript. So now we run the server code and we redirect to the page. So this is the UI for the talks project. It consists of uploading page, summarizing and a question answer. And we also have text to speech option and about page also. So we also have light mode and dark mode. Now we switch to the light mode. So these are the things. So we used the React and the Tailwind for the front-end design. So this is the sign up page, and this is the design for sign up page, and also have it consists of a full login. So sign up page we have full name, email, password confirmation, password, and date of birth. So we now log in with the email and password. So we log in into our docs. So this is our profile. This profile consists of a username, email, document, number of documents, members and account status. We can also change the name. So this it shows where recent activities and documents uploaded. When we click on the uploaded document, it redirects to the document page where we can upload a document. So yeah, now we upload a judgment to summarize and question answer. So after it takes few seconds to upload. So now we analyze the document for summarization. So these are our course for summarization. This code consists of a customer a decoder, question encoding, feed forward, and for a question answer model, it consists of a encoder, decoder, pre-trained model T5 birth, small and feed forwarding mechanism also. So this is the question answer page. So it has some few questions so that we can directly ask the question without anything, and we also have a history page. For analyze it takes few minutes because it is a large document consisting of 3-4 pages. So we are also having a model weights where it can predict these thing. I mean, it summarize the model, summarize the judgment. So this is the summary of the judgment. It almost has more than 75% of the accuracy. So you can also reanalyze the judgment. You can also download the judgment as a summary judgment also. You can also listen the
Petitioner, Rahader Kamakshya Narain and others vs RESPONDENT.
so we can listen the summary thing. We have text to speech. So now we ask a question. It gives a answer. So this is the answer. Who is the petitioner? And it gives the petitioner. So we can ask multiple questions according to our request. So we can also have the history page where we can see our past search history. We can also delete the total history also. So this is. You can also listen the text to speech. Major learnings gained, key points to present. Hands-on experience with the transformer models, T5 base and T5 small, learned to handle large legal datasets from raw code PDFs, gained knowledge in fine-tuning models for summarization question answer tasks, improved collaboration, task delegation, and debugging skills during model training. So in the architecture, we did not change anything from the milestone one, but we changed the UI UX front end and the model for question answer and summarization. We used treated models for summarization and question answer. For the achievements, we introduced chunking mechanism for long judgments due to model limits, implemented file saving after each epoch to prevent training loss, backend modified to store both question answer and summarization models in a unified API. So we promised 11,000 legal documents to be processed. So we successfully done that, and we prepared a dataset containing judgment and question answer and judgment with some summarization. And we also prepared the model for summarizing and question answer. The hurdles we faced during the pro- pro- project is Google Colab memory limit, batch size, sequence length. Legal PDFs has inconsistent formatting, required extra pre-processing. T5 based couldn't process long text end to end, had to check key points. Needed to checkpointing mechanism to save models after each point. Final model choice. We use T5 base for summarization and question answer for balance of quality and fast and lightweight performance. We didn't choose T5 model because it is too memory intensive for collab and for legal but lack generative output capabilities required for question answer and summarization. So for front end, we used React and Tailwind CSS for user interface, and for backend, we used endpoints like API summarize and API chat history. And for model storage, we used both T5 models stored in backend models for deployment. Currently, we deploy locally for testing and demonstrating process. For further deployment, we use AWS or Google Cloud. Thank you.